I eat keto, it's just what works for me. I prefer that low carb lifestyle, but sometimes I crave things other than like bacon and eggs for breakfast, and I want something a little bit more sweet. So this is a product that I found on Amazon that so far I'm definitely loving. This is Keto & Co. Pancake and Waffle. It's keto baking mix. So you just add some eggs, some oil, some milk in this mix, just like you would normal pancake or waffle. But the kicker is this only has 2 grams of net carbs per serving, and a serving is 2 pancakes. So if you have a huge stack of 4 or 5 pancakes, you're only getting like 4 or 5 carbohydrates out of that net, which is amazing. It's made with almond flour and coconut, and you can actually taste a little hints of almond flour and coconut in it if you just eat the batter by itself. But I usually have like a sugar-free syrup on top of it anyway, and butter, so pretty much my pancakes are just a medium to soak up all the syrup and butter anyway. So for me, it's a pretty good analog to the old classic pancakes that were really high in carbs. So this works for me. I love these, and if you are living that low carb lifestyle and looking for a sweeter breakfast item, this is something that I use and that I would definitely recommend.